Hi everybody, I'm Brian and this is Mrs. Nae Offence by Gregor Steele. We cry her Mrs. Nae Offence. That's what she likes to say. Afore saying something awfy, then heeding on her way. Nae offence, but see yon skirty bock that marks you look guy fat. Nae offence, you're like a standard lamp when you wear your new blue hat. Nae offence, but see your perfume, she witters like a dew. It minds me o' the yellow cubes ye get in a laddie's loo. Nae offence, but see your hairdo, you must have been a mug to fork out 20 quid for that. You look like a Pekingese dug. It fell upon my granny to put her in her place. Gran skelped her wi' her brawly, saying nae offence, but shut your face.